I'm joined here today with Matt Lenehan, Product Specialist at Global Health Limited. Between our two organizations, we've worked on an integration connecting the GoFax and ReferralNet products, transforming incoming faxes as e-referrals. This is the first of its kind integration, and we're truly excited to roll this out for our healthcare customers and partners. Thanks for joining me today, Matt.
Thanks for having me.
So can you tell me a little bit about ReferralNet, Matt?
So ReferralNet is one of the leading secure messaging softwares in Australia. It's essentially a fully encrypted way of sending patient data through different EMR systems, GP clinical systems, from hospitals, discharge summaries, etc. It's been around for about 19 years now, and it's continually growing at the moment.
I guess what benefit does ReferralNet's secure messaging product bring to the healthcare sector?
So there's a push. Well, obviously you can't use emails for exchanging patient data. Everything has to be secured. You have to follow the Australian privacy guidelines when it comes to patient data. And ReferralNet is a fully end-to-end encrypted solution. It also means it's interoperable between systems. So if you send it from one system, the expectation and what we provide is that it will show up the same way when it receives at the other end. So it means from within your own practice management or clinical system, you can put together a document, look up an address, just send it off to them straight away, and they'll receive it real time, and they'll be able to just load it and process it straight away. Secure messaging is something that's expanding in the industry rapidly, and it's going to be the future of correspondence. That in the collaboration with e-faxes and things like that, anything digital, that's where everything is moving to, because it's using paper fax is just not a viable solution going forward.
Where did you see the crossover between ReferralNet's secure messaging product and GoFax's online faxing product?
Well, as more healthcare organisations are trying to turn paperless or paperless alternatives, but they're unable to get rid of the fax machine at the moment because they're so widely used in the healthcare industry, we saw a collaboration between e-fax solutions like GoFax and secure messaging. It just made sense. It's a greener, cleaner, and more secure way of exchanging patient data.
Are you able to walk us through how that GoFax and ReferralNet integration work?
So basically, any organisation can use their fax machine or e-fax solution to send to an available GoFax number. When it reaches GoFax, GoFax turns that fax into a HL7 or HL7 secure message, and ReferralNet will deliver that file directly into the recipient's clinical system for processing and triage. So this skips the process of having to download or having to print, scan, manually upload documents into the system. We currently don't have a way to send via secure messaging to fax recipients, but that's something in the pipeline, and we're hoping to achieve that eventually as well.
How can GoFax customers get started with the ReferralNet to GoFax integration?
So if you can use your existing GoFax account. If you have ReferralNet as well, you can use that. If you don't, you just go to the ReferralNet website where you can sign up or send us an inquiry. Once that's done, you can send an inquiry to our support team and say that you want to utilize the GoFax ReferralNet integration, and we can step you through the process. It really requires minimal effort from the end user though.
What's next in the pipeline for ReferralNet and the GoFax integration?
Well, we'll be working with GoFax to incorporate sending as part of the process, meaning that more and more organisations can completely remove paper from their organisation, so all of their correspondence. And hopefully, as we prove that this works and it is working, that more healthcare professionals will see that really can be done, and in turn want to turn to a greener, more secure, cleaner, and more streamlined version of their business.
Well, yeah, Matt, thank you very much for joining us today. It was great to chat with you, and we're really excited to continue the relationship between our organisations, and excited to see the new integrations moving forward.
Yeah, I look forward to working with GoFax and definitely improving things and working with you. Thanks for having me.
Thanks, Matt.